She's got a sucker. Okay. Oh, she blew a big booger out on the ground.
Oh. Ew. Look at that.
Is it all the sneezing you got?
That's disgusting. Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Mark, I told you to get a paper towel.
I think you began a sentence, but I don't think you ended it. Is that the end of her sneezing?
I'm just gonna throw up.
It's so gross. I might throw up.